Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 30 stocks including Maruti Suzuki, Bajaj Finance, Godrej Consumer, UCO Bank, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Jammu and Kashmir Bank Limited, J&K Bank, share is trading around rupees 91. Jammu and Kashmir Bank announced a dividend of rupees 2.15 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Jammu and Kashmir Bank. E-Mudra Limited, E-Mudra, share is trading around rupees 737. E-Mudra also announced a dividend of rupees 1.25 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by E-Mudra. Mahanagar Gas Limited, MGL, share is trading around rupees 1,368. Mahanagar Gas announced a dividend of rupees 18 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by MGL. Jagsonpal Pharmaceuticals Limited, share is trading around rupees 210. Jagsonpal Pharmaceuticals also announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Jagsonpal Pharmaceuticals. Godrej Consumer Products Limited, Godrej CP, share is trading around rupees 1,240. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 13th May 2025. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, Hind Petro, share is trading around rupees 387. Hindustan Petroleum announced a dividend of rupees 10.5 per share. 14th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Vimta Labs Limited, Vimta Labs, share is trading around rupees 973. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Vimta Labs. UCO Bank Limited, UCO Bank, current market price rupees 30. Company announced a dividend of 39 paise per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 9th May 2025. MOIL Limited, share is trading around rupees 321. MOIL announced a dividend of rupees 1.6 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by MOIL. Emphasis Limited, Emphasis, share is trading around rupees 2,369. Emphasis announced a dividend of 57 rupees per share. 9th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. ACC Limited, ACC, share is trading around rupees 1,809. ACC announced a dividend of rupees 7.5 per share. 13th June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Havells India Limited, Havells, current market price rupees 1,534. Havells India announced a dividend of rupees 6 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 25th May 2025. Nestle India Limited, Nestle Ind, current market price rupees 2,329. Nestle India announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. 4th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. SBC Export Limited, SBC, share is trading around rupees 13.5. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 1000 shares of SBC Export, your 1000 shares convert to 2000 shares. Ex-date and record date for the stock split is fixed as 10th May 2025. Maruti Suzuki India Limited, Maruti, current market price rupees 12,371. Maruti Suzuki announced a dividend of rupees 135 per share. 1st August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Shalibhadra Finance Limited, current market price rupees 541. Company announced bonus in the ratio 3:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Shalibhadra Finance, you will get 300 shares as bonus. So total you will have 400 shares. Ex-date and record date for the bonus yet to be announced by Shalibhadra Finance. Bajaj Finserv Limited, share is trading around rupees 2006. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 27th June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Supreme Industries Limited, Supreme Int, current market price rupees 3,447. Supreme Industries announced a dividend of rupees 24 per share. 20th June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. CEAT Limited, CEAT, share is trading around rupees 3,642. Company announced a dividend of rupees 30 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by CEAT. NDL Ventures Limited, NDL Venture, share is trading around rupees 60. NDL Ventures announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by NDL Ventures. India Mart Intermesh Limited, share is trading around rupees 2,291. Company announced a dividend of rupees 50 per share. 6th June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Ambuja Cements Limited, Ambuja Cem, share is trading around rupees 522. Ambuja Cement announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 13th June 2025. Sarla Performance Fibers Limited, Sarla Poly, share is trading around rupees 95. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3 per share. Record date for the dividend yet to be announced by Sarla Performance. KPIT Technologies Limited, KPIT Tech, share is trading around rupees 1,300. Company announced a dividend of rupees 6 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by KPIT Technologies. Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited, ABSL AMC, current market price rupees 643. Aditya Birla Sun Life announced a dividend of 24 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Aditya Birla AMC. KFin Technologies Limited, KFin Tech, share is trading around rupees 1,065. KFin Technologies announced a dividend of rupees 7.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by KFin Technologies. L&T Finance Limited, LTF, current market price rupees 164. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2.75 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by L&T Finance. Sri Digvijay Cement Limited, share is trading around rupees 75. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Sri Digvijay Cement. Cyient Limited, current market price rupees 1,178. Company announced a dividend of rupees 14 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Cyient. L&T Technology Services Limited, LTTS, share is trading around rupees 4,091. Company announced a dividend of rupees 38 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by LTTS. Shilchar Technologies Limited, current market price rupees 6,221. Company announced a dividend of rupees 12.5 per share. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Shilchar Technologies, you will get 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 300 shares. Record date for the bonus yet to be decided by Shilchar Technologies. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.